All right, WMC, sorry for the delay here. This is the video to find the winner of Nicholas's Molly Gantner signed yearbook. So we'll check the time, April 20th at 7:26 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. We've got April 20th at 7:26 p.m. There is the list of our 12 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 11 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Neil. Spot 4 is your winner. So, Neil, please contact Nicholas to collect your winnings. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, April 20th, 7:27 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.